Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Stop moving and breathe because frantic searching scatters clues and wastes time. First, sweep pockets, bags, jacket linings, and usual surfaces, tabletops, counters, and the car seat. Once done, call out the key's name or jingle a spare to trigger memory. Loud sound helps you remember where you set things down. Make sure to mentally replay the last 10 minutes in sequence, noting every doorway and surface you touched, and mark one area to search thoroughly first. Once you've checked obvious spots, expand methodically. Divide your space into zones, entry, living area, car access route, and tackle them one at a time so you don't research. Move items aside rather than haphazardly shifting. That preserves order and reveals hidden ledges. Use a flashlight held low and angled to catch metal reflections, and pat cushions, pockets, and floor gaps with your hand. If you remember inserting keys somewhere, inspect pockets, glove compartments, and even laundry baskets. These small decisions are where keys hide. You're close. Confirm whether the key is truly missing by testing a spare key, remote, or phone app. This rules out a locking or battery issue. Once verified, retrace outdoor paths in sequence, checking curbs, pockets, and public lost and found spots. Make sure to ask witnesses who passed by. If the key is still gone, immobilize the vehicle by locking it and call your dealer or locksmith for replacement. If you hit a snag, check insurance or roadside assistance. They often cover key replacement steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.